Food, something that people and animals eat to live. Nutritious, food that is good for your body. Delicious, food that tastes very good. Healthy, good for your body and helps you grow strong. Snack, a small amount of food you eat between meals. Vegetable, a plant or part of a plant that is good to eat. Fruit, a sweet or sour part of a plant that has seeds inside. Hungry, when you need or want to eat something. Full, when you have eaten enough food. Cook, to make food ready to eat. Meal, the food that you eat for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Ingredient, one of the things you use to cook or make food. Taste, the flavor of food when you eat it. Recipe, instructions for making a certain dish. Farm, a place where food grows or where animals are raised for food. Grocery, a store where you buy food. Can you spot the target words in these sentences? 1. I like food a lot, especially pizza and burgers. 2. Eating nutritious food helps keep my body strong and healthy. 3. This cake is so delicious, I want to eat the whole thing. 4. I try to choose healthy snacks like fruits and nuts. 5. When I'm hungry between meals, I like to have a small snack. 6. Broccoli is a green vegetable that is good for you. 7. I enjoy eating fresh fruit like apples and oranges. 8. I get grumpy when I'm really hungry and haven't eaten. 9. After a big meal, I feel full and satisfied. 10. My mom likes to cook dinner for our family every night. 11. Dinner is my favorite meal because it's usually very tasty. 12. Can you check the ingredient list to see if it has nuts? 13. The soup doesn't taste good because it needs more salt. 14. I found a new recipe online that I want to try making. 15. My uncle has a big farm where he grows lots of vegetables. 16. We need to go to the grocery store to buy milk and bread.